Welcome back to the channel. In this video, you're going to learn how to get the deep fried filter on TikTok. So go ahead and open up TikTok, make sure that you're logged in, and then go down to the Discover tab. It has that little magnifying glass above it, and click on Discover. That's going to open up a page that looks like this, where you're going to want to go to the top of the page where you see your search bar, click on your search bar, and then type in all one word with no spaces, deep fried effect. That's going to bring up a list of videos that say they include the deep fried effect. Now, I did have to scroll through a couple to find one that actually used the effect. Looks like from Sarah Magusera. I apologize for destroying your name. And there you see, bottom left of the video, the little icon with the magic wand that says deep fried next to it. That's the icon using the effect. Go ahead and click on that icon. That's going to open up a page that looks like this, where right underneath the name, Deep Fried, you see it says Add to Favorites. Go ahead and click on Add to Favorites. Now you can start shooting your TikTok video from this screen by pressing the camera icon at the bottom center of the screen, and it will be using the Deep Fried effect. However, if you want to shoot your video later and just add it to your collection of cool effects to use, you can back out and then go to the Me tab, bottom right-hand corner of the screen, click on Me. It's going to bring you to your account page where right to the right of Edit Profile you see your bookmark icon. Go ahead and click on your bookmark icon and then swipe right to where it says Effects. Click on Effects. That's going to bring up all the effects that you have stolen from other TikTok users. Right there you can see the Deep Fried filter. Go ahead and click on Deep Fried, and it's going to bring you right back to the page that we were just on, where you can press the camera icon to start filming your video. I hope this video helped you out on how to get the deep fried filter on TikTok. If it did, smash that like button and consider subscribing, because we talk about this sort of thing often here. Thanks for watching. Take care.